What are you doing? Hi, everybody. Hi to the Rewatch crew. I appreciate you guys. Are you eating? Are you? I put him back in his cage because he gets tired. He's been out for a while, so he gets really tired, so. He's not walking. He's mad. He cries for me. What? Do you want to sit on my lap again? You ready to come out again? You just went in. Yeah, I just thought I'd check in because I haven't posted anything today. I can't seem to get it together to make a video. I haven't been videoing them because I've been kind of busy. What? I'm creating a monster. Every time he cries, I come and see. What's going on with you? What is wrong? Huh? He needs a bath. Look at his dirty face, huh? You got sticky medicine on you. Newman's doing good. Hey, Newman, do you want to sit on my lap, sweetie? Here. No? Are you sure? Here. No? No? Okay. This one's dying for my lap. How's everyone tonight? Yeah, Oakley's really cute. I don't know why I'm so lucky to have a bird like that. He's very happy. He's a happy bird. Well adjusted and just a happy little thing. Oakley, it's up to the vet whether Oakley stays. He goes in for a checkup on January 15th to see how he's doing, and if he's doing well, hopefully she lets me keep him. I've had this person call me like in the middle of the night, like 7 times, and they say things, and then they leave messages. Let me out. Come and get me. Pick me up. And I'm like, what the heck? Thank you, Lynn. He has different types of perches. Perch situation, I'm just like, hold on a second, let me finish my story. Anyways, come and get me, pick me up, like all these weird type text messages and phoning nonstop. Anyways, every time they do it, I block the number, but probably just another scammer. Do you want to come out? Pizza's coming. Okay, as far as the perch situation, I don't know what to do. The perch situation stresses me out because A, he should be laying down to take the pressure off his feet, but he likes to curl up the blankets to make a little soft perch, right? He picks the blankets and makes a soft perch. But he'll lay here all day. Like straight ahead. He won't use the rest of his area at all. Hi, Lorraine. So, like, it stresses me right out. And I don't want him to... See, that's the way he sits all day. And then he rests, too. And then I'm like, okay, so I put him in here for bedtime. And I have his food dishes. And this is like a dog bed. I have sheets on top of it. And this is where he sleeps, right? He loves to come in here. Then I put a food and water bowl there. But then he sits on the edge of the food and water bowl. So, all right, you want to come out? Come on then. Here. You want to come out? Oh, careful. I gotcha. That a boy. He's not as steady on his feet like Cookie was. I gotcha. His feet are like totally messed up. Like he's worse off than Cookie ever was. Here you go, Susie. Hold on, it's pizza. Brad, you want my credit card? Do you want my credit card? I think someone's at the door. No. I'm putting you down. Come here, Izzy. Come here. Not a girl. Here. You can't bite the pizza, man. Hi, guys. If you can still hear me, sorry. There's a bit of a situation. I gotta hold Izzy back. Okay, you lay down. That a girl. Thankfully, they aren't 8. There she is. She's laying down. Sorry. Okay. Pizza. We're sick. I'm sick of turkey dinner. Okay, what did I miss? Coco and Rue, yeah, they're doing okay. He does fit right in. He's getting a little bit spoiled. I don't have foam. It's wrapped in fleece. Mr. Smooth for a nickname. Your meta deposit is different settlement. Strictly Canada. A couple other countries. U.S. is still in court till February. Did they say what it would be? Yeah, he's more wobbly. I don't know, Helen. I'm going to have to ask. Do you want to see what the pizza guy's doing? I got pepperoni and Brad got beef and mushroom. It's this new pizza place that opened up around the corner. And then he screams when Coco screams and when Rue screams. So he's fitting right in. Because he was crying to come out of the cage. You received the calendars? Yeah, I gotta advertise those again. Oakley's not into like the treats that my birds are into. He doesn't like mash. He doesn't like toast. He doesn't like popcorn. I guess he's just used to the food he got at the clinic. He's good at eating pellets. And Newman, do you want to sit on my lap now? There we go. You sit on my lap for a bit. Save you a slice? So sick of eating all the turkey dinner stuff. I needed something different. How's everyone's weekend going? Anyways, he just, like, I'm obsessed with the way he sits. $30. Settlement of $30. Yeah, they have the pizza where it's like buy one, get one half price. We used to do Pizza Hut, and it was just getting too expensive for Pizza Hut. So then we tried Domino's, and it was like, if you're going to order pizza, you might as well have quality ingredients, you know what I mean? And I didn't feel like the ingredients we were eating was very high quality. What's the point of eating it? Like, what? You want to sit on my lap? Newman will beat you up. Anyways, that's kind of, he acts kind of spoiled, actually. Or maybe maybe the clinic is just used to birds calling, where me, it's like, if they're calling, that means they want something. You ordered mash and got pellets. Your bird likes the pellets better. I give him his medicine on a walnut. Do you want to go for a walk? Maybe? Huh? I don't worry about him, but that's just me. I worry about everything. You should have seen, yeah, if you're going to spend the money on takeout. What was I going to say? Oh, Jensa just gotten home in time for a snowstorm. Within a half an hour of them getting home, it was snowing like crazy. Izzy's doing pretty good, actually. She gets Medicam every other night because we don't want to overload her with medication, but seems to do good. I always see people talking about that Librela for dogs and how, like, I don't know, the side effects and all that stuff. You know, people who read the internet too much. And I'm like, why don't you gotta see your dog. Why is quality of life not important? You want to sit on my lap? Or sit close to me? You got cockatoo socks on? Did you see the socks that I had designed? Okay, how much would you guys pay for a pair of Coco button socks? Cause like they're nice socks. Jacquard weave blend. And it's Coco with buttons. It's really cute. Izzy did really good, yeah. She just kept herself off to the side. The dogs are picky eaters. I know at the end they're picky. I paid someone to design them. Then I have to pay for them to be made, and then I have to pay for them to be shipped to me, right? And then I've got to pay for the packaging. So what would you pay for Coco Button socks? Well, that's cute. $7? Okay, one says $7. 25. One says 25. 15. Thank you, Donna. 20 to 25. 10. Custom socks. $7 each sock. 20 total. Does that include shipping? 14. 10 to 20. No more than 15. But that doesn't. Does that include shipping? I haven't ordered them yet, so like if people are only going to pay $7 per sock, then I'm not going to order them because they cost way more than that. 25 for a pair of socks. $10 for socks. I'll show them to you. Hold on, Newman. Let's show the socks. The design. So that's the price shipping. Shipping is usually $5 to $6. That's the problem. How's our pizza look? Brad's pizza. Not your favorite? He's hard to please. He's not into pizza like he used to. I'll show you the socks. They're beautiful. I spent quite a bit to have them designed. La la la. See, it's going to be Coco with the buttons. And the thing about designing socks is you're only allowed so many colors, right? If I started, you're only allowed 5 colors. But look what a fantastic job she did. I see them, Elaine. The daisy bracelets are still in the work. I want to make them perfect. Like, look at she made this. She filled in every dot. See, every dot had to be filled in. Like the work that went into that, she hand did it. Like, look at the work that went into that. Like, I don't know if any of you guys are artists, but what you have to do is you have to, you have a sheet with squares, and each square has to be filled in to make it. If I start getting extra colors, the price goes up. Anyways, if you're into crafts and stuff, I'm sure she spent a week making that. What? They are super special. And then I was thinking, like, I'd only do one. I wouldn't get the same socks over and over again. I just do a design each time. Thanks, Deborah. Right now I'm working on my website. I make that organic freeze-dried food, and I thought, what is my sales down? And then, and I Googled my food, and there's people that copy me everywhere, like everything. Like copy my logo, like a Lucky Lou Coco Too logo, and my blends and everything. So I'm like, gosh, I better focus on my business again. Stay ahead of the game. Are we going to go have pizza? Coco's doing good. She goes in for blood work Monday. I think he does, but I can't pick him up right now. I can't. I got 1, 2. Where's Newman? There. 2 cockatoos fighting over me. They're still learning to be friends. Anyways, I'm going to go eat now. My pop is probably cold. Come on, Coco. I'm going to go eat. Thanks, everyone, for joining. Yeah, the Disney-style logo, I got to update it with birds. Because if I start selling something with the Disney-style logo, trust me, someone's going to say, where's so-and-so? How come that's not on? Oh, they don't say, hey, that's really nice. They say, where's so-and-so? Why isn't so-and-so on there? So before I do anything, I got to make it perfect. Right? Good night, everybody. Are you happy now? Night, everyone. Thanks for watching.